Finally, the S25 Ultra is here. But wait, this isn't the Samsung S25 Ultra. Instead, it's the Itel S25 Ultra. The features of this phone are truly impressive. It almost feels like the Samsung S25 Ultra. And no, I'm not joking. Let's begin the post-mortem of this phone and explore all the features it has to offer. Let's talk about the design. The Itel S25 Ultra feels much slimmer than expected, despite having a massive 5000 mAh battery. The curved front and back design give it an ultra-thin feel, making it comfortable to hold. It has minimal side bezels, with only the power and volume buttons visible. The phone also comes with an IP64 water resistance rating, meaning it can handle splashes and dust without any issues. Additionally, it has a hybrid SIM tray that supports expandable storage of up to 1 TB. Let's talk about the display. The phone features a 3D curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing smooth animations and vibrant visuals. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, ensuring durability against scratches and accidental drops. A unique feature is the notification indicator on the back, which glows in different colors based on alerts. You can even customize the light duration and colors to match your preferences. One of the biggest highlights is that Itel is offering 100 days of free screen replacement if the display breaks within this period. No other brand in this price range has ever provided such a guarantee. This kind of benefit is usually reserved for flagship devices. Let's talk about performance. The Itel S25 Ultra is powered by the All-T620 processor, which delivers solid performance for everyday tasks and gaming. In terms of raw power, it is comparable to the MediaTek Helio G99, outperforming the Helio G88 but slightly lagging behind the Helio G99 in sensor performance. The phone supports smooth PUBG gameplay, making it a great option for mobile gamers. Let's talk about the camera. The phone comes with a 50MP main sensor that captures detailed shots. However, the colors appear somewhat flat, but thanks to Google's built-in image editing tools, they can be enhanced with a single tap. It also includes a 2MP macro camera, though the other camera cutouts on the back are just for design. The Super Macro mode offers additional light support for capturing close-up details. Let's talk about the battery. The phone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage throughout the day. Whether you're gaming, browsing, or streaming content, you won't have to worry about running out of power quickly. Let's talk about the charger. The Itel S25 Ultra supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly recharge and get back to using your phone. Let's talk about the speakers. The device features DTS-powered stereo speakers, offering a balanced sound profile. The bottom speaker is louder, while the top speaker provides softer tones, ensuring an immersive audio experience. Let's talk about the AI features. The phone includes Gallery AI tools, which automatically detect duplicate and blurry photos, helping you manage storage efficiently. The Smart Accelerator keeps frequently used apps preloaded, ensuring faster access. Another useful feature is text extraction, which allows you to extract text directly from images using just 2 fingers. Let's talk about the software. The Itel S25 Ultra runs on OS 14.5, an Android One-based operating system that provides a clean and optimized user experience. The UI is smooth and responsive, and regular software updates ensure security and performance improvements. Additionally, the phone features an in-display fingerprint scanner for secure and convenient unlocking. A unique addition is the Smart Wet Hand Touch algorithm, which allows the phone to be used even when your hands are wet, something that even flagship phones struggle with. The phone also comes with a free protective case in the box, adding extra value to the package. So, that's the Itel S25 Ultra, a phone that delivers impressive features and a premium experience at an affordable price. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments.